This is my setup. Trying to focus on that tree. As of now, I have captured some tits. I know it sounds. Sometimes life calls for a pause, a journey back to simplicity, to nature, to home. This was mine, to Rishop, where my mother runs a humble homestay amidst the hills. I have reached Labha, waiting for my mother to get here because I stay in Rishop. Can't wait to get home. The journey started in the city, but it's here in these foothills where it truly begins. At Labha, I met my mother. A smile, a reminder of all the comforts I have been longing for. গাড়ি ফোন করলো? না, করেনি। We drove home as the sun dipped below the horizon. The first surprise wasn't from the birds. It was the weather. Mount Kanchenjunga stood tall and majestic. My first encounter was an old friend, the green-tailed sunbird. Though fleeting, it offered me a frame worth cherishing. And then, the sound. Hundreds, no thousands of hill miners flooded the sky, their calls echoing across the valley. The sound that you're hearing is not something I have put in. There are thousands, literally thousands of hill miners around me. I'm trying to photograph the one that looks the most aesthetic. And then came the notorious Rufus Shiba, always trying to steal the spotlight. But nature had more in store. A lifer, the Asian black bulbul. Among them, a turtle dove perched curiously, watching me as I watched it. With guests at our homestay, my time for birding was more limited than I hoped. But every moment felt precious. And now I'm dreaming of a full series of Himalayan wildlife in the near future. Nature speaks if only we listen. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe if you like such content.